Now guys, when it comes to acne, it's very easy to start feeling absolutely desperate. You want to just get rid of it anyhow at that moment. A lot of times people use things like toothpaste for dealing with acne. I even did a video on this recently as to why it's so dangerous. A lot of times you just want to pop that acne and just get rid of it anyhow. But here's the problem with these methods, guys. First of all, they're very, very unsafe. It can actually lead to a much bigger acne breakout. And in the worst case scenario, which actually happens quite often, people end up with lifelong scars. Now, you don't want to do that. You want to be careful. So even when you're picking out your products, especially if you have acne prone skin, please look for things with the right ingredient structure. Ingredients like especially salicylic acid. It is so wonderful when you have acne. By the way, guys, in case you're interested in learning about skincare ingredients and things like that, the Dermaco has actually recently launched India's first masterclass where you learn about actives and what they do, the science behind different ingredients. I have attended a few of these myself. So if you have acne problems, you can look at this micro tip salicylic acid patches for clean and clear skin. This is from the brand the Dermaco, like I just mentioned, and it's a brand designed by dermatologists. So what does this mean? Since number one, it's a brand designed by dermatologists, it's a very well researched, scientific, safe, effective brand. Okay, it's not like random stuff like popping your pimples or using toothpaste. No, this is actually scientific and sensible. It's safe, and it's a very clean, honest brand, by the way. Like you might have even seen me talk about their say 10% niacinamide serum or 2% salicylic acid mask. In the name itself, they have mentioned the concentration of the active, so you know exactly what you're going for. Now, going to these patches and what these patches do. First, let me show you what these patches look up close. So these are like really tiny little patches which you apply directly on your acne. This is why I want to talk about quick fixes. When you're looking for quick fix, this is something which is actually a bit of a quick fix because you apply it and leave it on for a couple of hours, for 6 to 8 hours, and that's it. So for people with acne prone skin, this is just a very good handy thing to have around. One pack contains 24 patches, and what I really like about this is that it contains salicylic acid. Guys, let me tell you about the ingredients first. It contains hydrocolloid. It also contains salicylic acid. Like I just said, salicylic acid is absolutely amazing for your skin, especially when you have acne problems, because it's a great beta hydroxy acid. It's something which actually goes into deeper layers of your skin. Salicylic acid pulls out all the bad stuff, cleans up your skin really, really well, and it just helps your skin heal, recover itself. And the fact that it is an oil soluble acid, it can actually go really well into your pores, even when you have oily skin, even when you have a lot of sebum trapped into your skin, to remove the dead skin cells. And it primarily targets your large pores and, of course, like we just talked about, acne. So it is super effective. It exfoliates your skin gently. So this is something which dermatologists actually recommend a lot, salicylic acid. And it's safe for all skin types, by the way. Even if you have sensitive skin, salicylic acid is something that you can actually go for. Just do a patch test when you're using it for the first time, but salicylic acid is very, very safe. So what happens is that, like when you have acne, or for that matter, if you just have acne, inflamed skin, if you have pimples, sometimes you see that, okay, an acne is about to come up. Even in those cases, you can actually use this. So how do you actually use this? Well, first things first, you need to first wash your face. So you can use any regular cleanser, but I would recommend using an AHA BHA cleanser because obviously it will be much better for cleaning your skin. And once you've cleaned up your skin, on clean skin, just apply this wherever you have acne or pimples or acne inflamed skin and things like that. So just leave it on for about 6 to 8 hours and you can remove it. Ideally, I would recommend using this at night just before you go to sleep. So like during the daytime, you're using your phone, you're talking, you're moving your jaw. So when you're wearing patches, it's all over. So it's better when you just use it at night before you go to sleep, and in the morning you can just take it off very easily. And while you're going through this process, when you're using these patches, please make sure that you use a sunscreen, because obviously a sunscreen is very important for protecting your skin. So this is just something that you can use as simply as that. It's a lovely non-messy formula. I love how well it has been designed. So yes guys, what I'll do is I'll put the link for these micro tips salicylic acid patches in the description box below. You can get this on various e-commerce websites, Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. However, if you buy directly from the Dermaco, you can actually get 20% off using this coupon code SWS20 for flat 20% off. This is, by the way, in case you're wondering, this product is waterproof, it's breathable, it's also paraben and SLS free. So check it out, and if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I would love to help you out. I would love to get back to you guys. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.